I hit the scale.
Don't touch my precious scale.
I can do whatever I want.
Shh, the neighbors.
The neighbors don't.
Stop it now. Don't.
Oh, your poor knee. No.
Don't.
Do not do that. No, that is not something we do here. No.
Orlin, what's wrong? Your nail's black. Are you ready or not? Here we go. Ooh, she's like breaking.
I think she's overloaded.
Hurry up with your lies, lady. She's not working. I spent $150 on you piece of plastic junk. I spent so much money on you.
Can you be quiet? You're so annoying.
Goodbye.
Yeah, she knows what's up.
I'm trying to speak to you.
Be quiet! God, you're annoying. Can we just get this over with? Just weigh yourself. We want to see how fat you got.
You better tell the truth. You better not lie or I'm calling.
Hurry up and weigh yourself! Hurry up! You're wasting my time! You know how tiring it is to hold a camera while a man-child refuses to weigh himself? You're just pretending that you're weighing yourself, but you're not actually doing it. Ouch! You do not touch me!
Ouch!
Ah!
Ouch! Shavers, clavers. Jesus, Mary, and Joseph.
Don't bring up Jesus, Mary, or Joseph. Leave them out of this. You leave them out of this. You keep your filthy mouth away from Jesus, Mary, and Joseph.
I say my prayers before bed, and I light a candle, and I ask every day for forgiveness for the sins that...
We'll ask for a liposuction. Or a chin reduction.
Stop it.
Wait. Why have you not cleaned the room?
I'm doing my intro.
How about you clean the room?
Ouch! Stop!
You got it on the white curtains. You know how expensive those are? Do you know how hard it is to clean that? There's literally Taco Bell sauce on the curtain.
You're just gonna stand there like a dim.
Well, what am I supposed to say? These people don't like me. These people do not like me. I'm just supposed to be here to assist you, to clean up after you. By the way, why haven't you cleaned up after yourself?
I'm trying!
Put it down.
Ouch, my finger!
You got a wrench on me! You threw a wrench at me! I'm telling Nancy!
You got it on the wall.
I know, I'm about to clean.
You got it on the wall.
I know, you got it on the wall. That was all you!
That was all you. Stop!
Having to clean now.
Hi guys, so somebody...
How would you do that?
I'm trying to do this video to neighbors.
Be nice to me!
Stop! Oh, you stop! Ouch! You're gonna get
Pick it up.
No, you pick it up.
Pick it up.
Pick it up now. No, I'm not doing anything. You're the one that's... I'm the one who deserves it. You look dumb. I got no respect for this. You went to fat camp and you came back fatter.
He has this box. Here you go.
These are my tacos, and guess who gets to eat tacos? Me. Because I didn't have enough calories yesterday, and I deserve more today.
You deserve a sandal.
Ow!
You deserve a shoe. No, stay back there. Stay there. Stay.
Stupid. I'm saying this to me.
You ouch! On her back! Ouch! You just left it there for me, you sloppy pig! Why do I have to see that? I have to pick it up and put it in the trash.
Get those paper towels right now.
Done with you.
Where's the... Get the paper towel roll! Look at all these wasted shit. Wasted...
On my back!
What the heck? That has food in it! That has food. Sit down.
I don't want to be in this video.
Just sit. We're gonna eat.
They're mad at you because you don't know how to speak with
you're-
inside voices. You don't know how to do inside voices.
I'm speaking
You don't know how to
silently.
talk.
Shh. Speak silently, sweetie.
Don't speak to me like that,
Sweetie, don't look at me, sweetie.
I don't want to look at you, sweetie.
Yeah, but you are, sweetie. Okay, y'all looking at me.
No one wants
too
to
much.
look at you, sweetie. You're just a walking meme. You're a human meme. That's why anyone looks at you. You're literally a dumpster fire, sweetie.
I can smell your breath from here, sweetie. Did you open everything?
No, I think that's in your.
Shh. The neighbors. Ouch! Stop. Ow.
Quiet. The neighbors.
You stop it now. You stop it.
Get away from me.
What do you mean get away? We're filming a collab. Like, nice husbands.
We're not husbands.
Ex-husbands. Same difference.
I don't identify as your husband.
Oh, please.
I'm
Don't
not your
start.
Husband. I'm not your husband.
Look what you...
It's in here.
Show the people.
They don't care. It's just dollar menu burritos. Here's my dollar menu bean burrito.
You make it... Ouch! 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 My shoes! Ow! Ouch! Oh, jeepers creepers. Look at all this stuff all over the floor.
Because you put it there.
No. I didn't. I'm going to show the people exactly. Look at you already eat. Look at what I'm having to sit in. Look at what. This is your fault. This crap I'm having
Well, how about you actually clean it up so you can actually get some exercise? When's the last time you did any
And what am I
exercise? And
supposed
eating
to
is not an
what
exercise.
am I
No matter what
supposed to-
Amber Emma committee tells you, eating is not an exercise. It does not count. Mastication is not exercise.
Shine bright like a diamond.
You look like a shiny pearl.
Ouch! Ouch! Ow! What they teach us in science class, you shake, 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 and aim.